Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the law of variable proportion. Let's get started. Let's first discuss about its definition. It states that as the quantity of one factor is increased, keeping the other factors fixed, then the marginal product will eventually declines. It means that if we increase one input in our industry, keeping the other inputs quantity fixed, then the marginal product of a good in the industry will eventually declines. Now learn about important terms related to law. Total product. It is the output derived from the all factors inputs, both fixed and variable, employed in the production. Average product. It can be obtained by dividing the total output by the number of variables employed. Marginal product. It is the output derived from the employment of an additional unit of an variable factor unit. Now discuss about the assumptions of the law. Number 1, only one factor is made variable and keeping the other factors constant. It means that you can change only one input of in the production of good and keeping the other input goods constant. The law is applicable only for short run, as in long run all inputs are variable. It is more clear to all. Now the third, the state of the technology does not change at a given point of time. Fourth, the variable factor in units are needed to be homogeneous. That is, there is no particular efficiency need of an input good. Fifth, there are possibilities for the varying proportion of the factor inputs. Now discuss the other things. As you can see in the table, there is a fixed factor, that is machine, variable factor, labor, and other terms, total product, average product, marginal product, which was discussed earlier, and the stages. As fixed factor remains constant in the table, variable factor increases by 1 unit on each row. Let's discuss. If we increase the variable factor, that is labor, by 1, then the total product in units increases from 10 to 22, and the average product 10 to 11, and the marginal product also increases. It increases up to a certain point, that is up to a fifth row. It is marginal product is increasing, that is increasing returns. After the fifth row, as you can see, when we increase the labor, the marginal product declines, and that is 18 to 10, 10 to 4, 4 to 2. This is called decreasing returns. This is because of because there is less machinery for the labor, therefore the labor work is not more efficient than the previous, so there is no need of the sixth labor in this company. And now the 10th row, now the 9th row, which shows the marginal product is 0 and the total product as its peak value 82. After that, if we increase the labor, that is variable factor, we get the negative marginal product. This is called negative returns. Now by the graph between the amount of variable factor and the output, we get 3 curves: marginal product, average product, total product. Stage 1 is the increasing returns, stage 2 decreasing returns, and the stage 3 negative returns. In the stage 3, you can see that the marginal product is declining at a negative value. In stage 2, you can see the marginal product is declining but at a positive rate. And in stage 3, you can see that when the marginal product is 0, the total product is at its peak value. Means that when the marginal product is 0, the total product is highest. Thanks.